Hello everyone, welcome to Maths class. Today we will discuss the topic measures of time. As you all know, time is very precious. Time can be measured in days, weeks, months and years. Let us discuss days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. First day of the week is Monday. The second day of the week is Tuesday. The third day of the week is Wednesday. Fourth day of the week is Thursday. Fifth day of the week is Friday. Sixth day of the week is Saturday. Seventh day of the week is Sunday. Now I will be telling you about the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. The first month of the year is January. The second month is February. The third month of the year is March. The fourth month of the year is April. The fifth month of the year is May. The sixth month of the year is June. The seventh month of the year is July. The eighth month of the year is August. The ninth month of the year is September. The 10th month of the year is October. The 11th month of the year is November. The 12th month of the year is December. Out of these 12 months, there are 7 months which have 31 days each. These months are January, March, May, July, August, October and December. Children, there are 4 months which have 30 days each. These months are April, June, September and November. February is the only month which has 28 or 29 days. Based on weeks and months, you have to answer the following questions. Question 1. How many days are there in a week? Question 2. How many months are there in a year? Question 3. Name the first month of the year. Question 4. Name the month after June. Question 5. Name the month between March and May. Question 6. Which day comes after Saturday? Question 7. How many days are there in February? Question 8. Name your birthday month. Clock. We use a clock or watch to know time. The visible side of a clock is called its face or dial. A dial has 12 equal divisions. These divisions are numbered from 1 to 12. Now look at this clock. The clock has two hands. The long hand is the minute hand. It indicates time in minutes. The short hand is the hour hand. It indicates time in hours. Measuring time. As you know now, we measure time using clock. There are two types of clocks: analog clock and digital clock. Analog clock. Analog clock is a clock that represents time by the position of hands on a dial. An analog clock has numbers from 1 to 12, a face, an hour hand, and a minute hand. Digital clock. Digital clock is a type of clock that displays the time digitally. On a digital clock, you will see two dots which separates hours from minutes. The number on the left displays the hour. The number on the right displays the minute. How to read time in a clock. Full time or o'clock. Look at this clock. Note the position of minute hand and hour hand on its face. The minute hand is the long hand and the hour hand is the short hand. Here, the minute hand is pointing at 12 and the hour hand is pointing at 3. So this means that the time is 3 o'clock or 3:00. Another example of full time or o'clock. In this clock, the minute hand is at 12. The hour hand is at 7. So, the time in this clock is 7 o'clock or 7:00. An activity for students. Read and write the time shown in the clocks. In the first clock, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 2. In the second clock, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 5. In the third clock, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 9. In the fourth clock, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 11. In the next clock, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 3. In the last clock, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 6. Half hour. Look at the clock. Note the position of minute and hour hand on its face. Here, the minute hand is pointing at 6 and the hour hand is between 4 and 5. So, the time is 4:30 or 4:30. Another example of half hour. Note the position of minute and hour hand on its face. Here, the minute hand is pointing at 6 and the hour hand is between 1 and 2. So, the time is 1:30 or 1:30. Remember, when it is half hour, the hour hand, that is the shorthand, is always between the two numbers. Another activity for students. Read and write the time shown in these clocks. In the first clock, the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 1 and 2. In the second clock, the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 12 and 1. In the third clock, the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 7 and 8. In the fourth clock, the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 4 and 5. In the fifth clock, the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 2 and 3. In the last clock, the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 8 and 9. Points to remember. After every hour, the minute hand always points to 12. The hour hand of the clock takes 1 hour to move from one numeral to the next. The minute hand takes 1 hour to come back to the same numeral. Therefore, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. A clock shows 12 o'clock both at noon and at midnight. The duration of time from one midnight to the next midnight forms a day. So, one day equal to 24 hours. Hope you enjoyed this presentation and understood the topic well. Thank you for watching.